Now for the S3 Sandbox Challenge, I'm going to get you some reps in working on these list methods and actually putting them into practice, but it's in a very step-by-step, hopefully user-friendly kind of way. And so if you go to Module 3 and you scroll down to the S3 Unscramble the Quote assignment, you'll see this, okay? The S3 Sandbox Challenge. I want you to copy this very first line of code into PyCharm. So you're just going to select it, copy it, and paste that into PyCharm. Now, this is a list that is a scrambled quote by somebody famous. And in order to unscramble the quote, you will need to follow these steps. If you follow these steps, the quote will be unscrambled and you'll be able to take a screenshot and post it of that. Now, I'm not going to scroll down any further because I don't want to spoil it for you guys. But now if the easy version of this, right, is I wouldn't copy and paste. I would highly recommend typing these just to get you some practice typing these commands in PyCharm. But if you want to test yourself a little bit, try to look at just the steps and figure out the commands yourself. But if you want the easy version, look at the commands and type them. That would be my recommendation. But if you follow those steps in order, it should unscramble the quote, take a screenshot, post it, and then you'll be done for the day. And when we come back on Wednesday, I'm going to introduce you to another collection type called dictionaries, which are even more powerful than lists. And we'll get into assignment 3 or A3, okay?